Okay, now solve the numerical that is related to the chapter AC circuit. Numerical that is given that an inductor with an inductance of 100 microhenry passes a current of 10 milliampere when a terminal voltage is given 6.3 volt. Calculate the frequency of the AC supply. Here the inductance of the inductor that is given 100 microhenry. That is, we know that micro that is equal to 10 into minus 6. Okay, next that is given the current that is equal to 10 milliampere. 10 milli that is equal to into 10 into 10 minus 3 ampere. What is the terminal voltage? V is equal to 6.3 volt. Calculate the frequency of AC supply. Here we find the inductive reactance that is equal to SL is equal to omega L. XL that is equal to 2 pi F L. Find the frequency F is equal to XL over 2 pi L. We find the frequency. First we find the XL, then we find the X. How we find the XL? Here we use the formula of the Ohm law. That is, we know that V is equal to I. R that is resistance. Here we use resistance of the inductor because it is the inductor circuit. Resistance of the inductor circuit that is denoted by XL. So here we find the XL is equal to V over I. V that is given 6.3 and I that is given 10 into minus 3. So here we find the XL that is the 630 ohm. We use this inductive reactance value in this formula, that is XL is equal to 630 over 2 pi that is equal to 3.1416 and L that is equal to 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. If we calculate this frequency by using calculator, we find that frequency that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. In short, we can write as it is equal to 1 10 to the power 6, that can be equal to mega, so is equal to 1 megahertz. That is, we find the frequency of the AC supply that is applied through the inductor circuit.